What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do some upgrades to the FMS today. We're going to change out the motor, take the body off, see about putting lights in. Gonna do a hyperlapse. I'll pause if anything interesting happens, but we'll know more when that happens. So here we go. Alright guys, it was a fairly simple install. I did find out these servos, because of the shape they are, will not work in there as is. So I'm going to have to find a different servo to work in there. Let's see, just out of curiosity. I didn't even think about this when I had it out. Yeah, see, this one's shaped the exact same way. So those will not work. So, and as stated, many times before, I'm sure, the longer servo horns will not work as well. So I have no clue as to what we're going to do if something happens to the servo. So we are going to see what happens with that. So either way, I'm pretty sure you can modify the plate to be able to accept a different servo, but who knows. Either way, it was a fairly simple install, and as you can see, much more controlled now. Would have never got that with that stock ESC. And as for now, the servo's working fine. We are sorry about that. We are, however, going to set up the ESC in the Fusion to make sure all the punch settings and everything else is good, because wow, I just about took out my whole camera setup right here. So either way, I'm going to program the ESC. It's really not that hard. It comes with a sticker for your programming card, your existing one, so that you know what it is. Plus, it's in the user manual. I'm gonna do that off camera, and you don't need to see all that. I'm sure you've seen it 1,000 times over. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment. Let's talk about this truck down in the comments. I think it's actually a really good truck. Debating on what to do about the shocks. What are your thoughts on that? I did remove the spring leaf retainers for the spring conversion, because I doubt I'm ever going to do that. Even if I do, you can get it with a whole nother bracket and everything, so I'm not really worried about that. But otherwise, let me know what you think. And also, if anybody's found a good 3S battery, preferably one that's higher than 1300 milliamps, let me know, because I am looking for something up in here. I've got the inner fenders on the way. I like shorty packs, so if you found something 3S that'll fit, just let me know, and we'll go from there. So again, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.